I found the briefcase. Turns out I was incredibly stupid, and I'd gone over it once, I think. It was in the area that I'd gone over like a few times. However, also likely that it hadn't popped up and glitched out until I'd done. What's your fucking problem? Oh yeah, all those murders didn't count because the police fucking gunned me down, by the way, so... Yay.
Oh!
Eh. That's how you open gates, kids. Just smash into it and then unlock it with your magic wand mobile phone device. Ah, you fuck. Got it anyway, fuck you. Fucking nuts, send me an email, fucktard. The info, you sick fuck, told you to rent porn like a normal fucking dude. Yeah, well, he didn't do that. Oh great, I get to do this again. Yeah, okay, hacked it. Great. Now what? Because I can't fucking go anywhere. So I'll just sit here until you tell me to do something, game. Ah.
There. Now everybody knows the truth about this asshole. They've got more on my list. They're gonna lead me to their handler.
How fucking anticlimactic! I just hacked into someone's garage after all that shout from last time. You know what? Fuck it, I'm gonna squeeze in a gang territory thing while I'm in the area. Get some of that good non-existent ad revenue. Can't even, actually. Yeet! Oh, I was hoping he'd throw himself off.
Lucky Quinn's club has a foot in every door. Can't do business without bumping into one of these fucks. Well, today I'm counting on it.
Wrong fucking button, you prick. There we go. Stealth is riding a chopper into a restricted area. Is there a fucking camera I can just... Hey, wanker, fuck off.
Hey! You don't belong here!
Jace Gleason, you're not who I'm looking for.
Hell, no freaking way!
Hello. Okay, I've got my target. Oh, he's outside, okay. Double headshot.
It's not looking too great. Get a few more hitters here. Got it.
Well, there was nothing I could do about that, but... There you go, lads.
Hey, there he is!
Oh, hello.
Fucker's shooting at us! Hey, you okay? Throw this! Lava grenade at him! Holy shit! Go on and check it out! We're fucked! Got him. Kill him already!
Oh, that was it.
Gonna check it out.
Hey, meds, thank you. I'm gonna kick the shit out of him with my fucking battery stick. Hello. Smash to the face. Oh, it didn't kill me. Oh well. That was fun.